Whoa. Oh my god. Wow. This is what the floods have done. This is how high the river is. Still, yep. Now we're going to open the caravan doors and see what damage has been done. He's soaked, absolutely soaked. Hoping the computer is okay, but I don't know. It just feel a bit damp, so I'm guessing it did get the computer and the wires. Coco, I'm just looking at the fridge up. Yeah, fridge damage. The bottoms of these, oh my gosh, are sodden. Stop it, Coco. They go all the way up to here. Yeah, they go pretty far up on the sofa, to be honest. Same on these ones on this side. Yeah. Yeah, even right up to here it's still wet.
Hello? Yes.
Around the fire. Oh, the sun is shining really brightly down by the river. The overflowing river. They're called swans. Ew. One of my favourite local sites. Chilly one by the rear. This is all I've got left to do on the jigsaw, and what, I don't know, 50, 60, 70 pieces. Gonna set myself a challenge of doing it before Charlotte comes in. I've got 30 minutes if I'm lucky, so off we go. Getting there, but she's in, and I've still got about 30 pieces left to go. But as you can see, they all look pretty similar. Could be another 30 minutes, yeah. So I've finished the jigsaw as much as I can. I've been left with a piece that is not the piece that fits in the gap. So great. Haven't done anything wrong. The piece is not meant to fit in this gap. I've thought for a long time now it was the dodgy piece, but I was not expecting to have one missing, but I have. So, great. Nearing the end of another day. Nice red hue just above Cotton Valley. Moon's already out. And Sasha's following me around like a lost donkey because she knows it's 4 o'clock and she wants her food. Come on, you Sash. And this way. And this way. Now where are you going? Good, off now. Good. Some more. Food. Give me food. I'm coming, Sash. Spent today tidying up, doing stuff around the house. Then we went off to check on Tanya's dad's caravan, which is situated by a river, by the River Trent, which had of course come over, and sadly I'd gotten into the caravan and there was soaking wet carpets and who knows what other damage done. Whilst we were there, we took Coco for a walk around there. It's a place we like to walk. It's nice around there, near the river, near the weir. Came back in the afternoon, finally finished off that jigsaw, and it's now just gone 6 o'clock, and it'll soon be time to drop Charlotte off at Cannonville for football training, and I will spend the rest of that evening waiting for her, but I shall go to Asda first, and yep, that's pretty much how Monday works.